Day 3 in Mindo. We liked it so much, we stayed another day. And today we're going to go on a tour and learn how to make chocolate. It costs $10 per person. Ecuador is known for their amazing chocolate. The companies in Ecuador have won international chocolate awards. So we're going to see what it's all about and have a look. Let's go. Okay, so we've reached Mindo Maya Chocolate. Just this building here. So we're heading to the classroom now. Ooh, an outdoor classroom. Looking nice.
Okay, sit down. Natural and organic. It's from the laboratory.
Modify this one, and this is organic and natural.
Organic.
Is the first time you're tasting the café?
I have tasted before.
For me,
Okay.
first time.
Inside the one, use the egg
Mm.
and move.
This one is tastier than this one. Okay, we're off to the next classroom now.
This plant is from the
So this is the mini version of the one we've just been eating from.
They're just baby. They are growing.
Baby.
That's so sweet. Look, so it's like this big to begin with.
This process is very important for make the chocolate bar.
You're fermenting the beans
Yes.
here. Part 3. I don't know how long to cook them for. 5 to 7 minutes, okay.
Do not burn the chocolate.
I'm going to make the best chocolate, honey, just for you. Cooking the beans, it removes the bitterness in the taste. The beans are ready when you can kind of break the shell a little bit, like this here.
Remove the shells from the cacao beans.
Ah, look at that. Yeah.
Yes, the shells put here and the cacao beans here.
Cool. So I'm breaking the shell, and you see inside is the cocoa bean. Back to work. So there's a knack to this. In my new job as chocolate maker.
You're already.
So you can make cocoa tea with the shells, and this is the ground cocoa bean.
Let's put sugar one. This is Arabic coffee.
So Arabic coffee, sugar, and that
Yes,
chocolate.
everything.
Mix them really well.
Okay, so I've ground it all
Mochaccino.
up.
Yeah, I love
Time
it.
for me to try
Oh my
it.
god, this is mochaccino.
Mochaccino.
Inside put a just cacao paste.
So we're going to put some hot water in it. So we've just been stirring this hot water in with it. Sin azúcar.
Sin azúcar. This is spoon for put the white sugar.
I'm definitely going to stick some sugar in here.
Oh, this is so fun. Chino.
Oh, okay, the taste is really coming out. Made my chocolate drink. Put a little bit of coffee in there as well, just so it's, get that hit. Now we're going to see the industrial way of making chocolate. $10 for this experience is very good. I'll just say, in case you didn't hear, they use this one for roasting. They roast it for 15 minutes with the shell, and then it goes into this one where it takes off the shell and comes down. They put it in there 5 to 6 times.
Yeah, you can see more near
The color.
Ellen was just saying that she's going to show us how to make a chocolate bar now. There's the brand, Maya Chocolate Mindo.
And it's 100% pure. You
want?
take the temperature 54 degrees Celsius.
54.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay.
Okay, I have to put this on my face now. So this is a tea made from the shells.
It's bitter.
Wait, why is that so bitter?
This is 100%. This is the 100%.
100% chocolate. I have cheap
Have you
taste.
ever tried 100% chocolate? 75% cacao and 25% sugar.
Okay, it might be getting better, huh?
Better.
Yeah. Yeah. My enjoyment is increasing.
65. Yeah.
Oh, it's getting better. Okay, so that concludes the chocolate tour. And Ellen, our guide, has just left this on our table. This is 100% cocoa powder, and then they've put some milk in there.
Honey.
Cacao honey as well, and we've got a
Yeah,
little brownie
brownie.
there and some fruit to cleanse the palate. Hopefully this will work for my face. Apparently it boosts collagen and something else. Our skin's being very hydrated from that chocolate.
it is.
So here's where we're going to have a coffee. Look at these tables. It's raining quite a lot right now, so we're going to try and escape that by sitting in this beautiful place. Enjoy. As you can see, it's raining quite a lot. So we've decided to go eat something in a restaurant called Zafiro. But I'm just going to show you how fast this river is. Really going for it. So they have this really cool seat right next to it. But it's raining a bit too much, so we can't sit there right now. Look at that. So every now and again I like to order a Coca-Cola, and I found that the Coca-Cola tasted very different here in Ecuador, and apparently it's because they still use cane sugar, and in North America and Europe it seems like they use high fructose corn syrup, but it tastes way better here. Okay, the food has just arrived and I'm having the Mexican. This cost $9, all of this. And then this is $10 as well, and I believe that is
Chicken.
flat chicken I call it. Pollo. So we just had a really nice coffee at this place. It's kind of like a number of different coffee shops. It's El Zaguan. You see it's got loads of different places to drink and eat. La cuenta?
Claro.
Ah, okay, I go here?
Sí.
Hola.
Gracias.
Gracias. So we just had a really nice coffee and now it's time for a bit of food before we head out of Mindo. And we've decided to go to this place here, La Mecha. And I have ordered cannelloni with spinach. Yeah, that's $14, that one. There's people watching. And I've got my little friend as well here. This is an Ecuadorian beetle. I don't know what kind, but it's chilling out with us here. Okay, see you in the next place, wherever that may be.